We love how easy AI makes life. But what if it's costing us our ability to think? Let's explore that.
Yep, AI is everywhere. It gives us directions, recommends movies. Basically, it makes things super convenient.
But here's the catch. That convenience might be chipping away at our own minds without us even noticing.
There's actually a name for this: cognitive offloading. We're handing over our mental heavy lifting to technology.
So what's the first thing to go? It might just be our critical thinking skills, and that's a big one.
Look at this. One study found students using AI showed weaker reasoning compared to traditional methods. Pretty telling, right?
See, just taking AI's word for it lets our brain skip the hard work of making its own judgments.
Okay, now let's hit memory. It's a classic case of use it or lose it. The brain needs exercise.
A really interesting study from UPenn looked at students using ChatGPT to prep for exams. So what happened?
You might not believe this, but the group using AI actually scored lower on the exams.
This suggests AI gives quick answers, but it might short-circuit the real brain work needed for deep learning.
All right, so what about creativity? Is AI a threat there, too? Let's take a look.
There's a term for this: cognitive atrophy. Basically, our creative brain muscles can weaken if we don't use them.
And it makes sense. AI learns from what's already out there, so its ideas tend to be less original.
But this isn't just about us as individuals. This stuff has huge effects on society and even our identity.
Think about it. AI learns from human data. That means it can pick up and even amplify our worst biases. And that brings us to this wild idea called the algorithmic self. So, what is that exactly?
Well, it's a feedback loop. AI feeds us content, we react, and it slowly helps shape who we are.
So the big question is, as we keep outsourcing our minds, what part of being human are we holding on to?